Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to delete Hulu account permanently. Firstly, what you can do is you can cancel your subscriptions. Go to hulu.com on a computer or mobile browser. Click your profile name in the top right corner and select account, and scroll to your account section and select cancel next to cancel your subscriptions. Follow the remaining prompts to confirm your cancellations. And secondly, what you can do is delete your account. On the same account page, scroll down to the privacy and settings sections. Click on your US state privacy right, and under the right to delete sections on the left hand side, click start deletions. After you click on start deletion, read through the warning phrase. Choose whether you want to delete immediately or wait until the end of your billing cycle, and click start deletions again. And check your email for a verification message from Hulu. You must click the confirmation link in that email to fully finalize the deletion process. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.